Kinwestiyon sa joint committee hearing ng Committee on Basic, Higher and Technical Education at Committee on Finance, Budget and Management ang inisyong memorandum order na nagsasaad ng management takeover ng nakaraang minister ng Ministry sa Human Resource Management Division o HRMD. Ang News Now sa report.
Bakit po kailangan i-take over ng Office of the Minister yung opisina na under naman sa kanya? Para lang po maintindihan namin.
So, yung Human Resource and Management Division po is under supervision pa rin po ng Office of the Minister. But of course, with the assistance po ng Office of the Assistant Secretary.
Structure ng MBHTE, particular ng Human Resource Management Division o HRMD ng Ministry, ang isa sa mga tinalakay sa Joint Committee Hearing ng Committee on Basic, Higher and Technical Education at Committee on Finance, Budget and Management.
Nasa baba yung Human Resource Development Management Division. Nasa taas niya ay yung Admin and Finance Services. Ano ang nasa taas naman ng Admin and Finance Services?
Yung Admin and Finance Services po is under po sa Office of the Minister.
So technically, nasa loob pa rin or under pa rin sa Office of the Minister yung Human Resource Management Division.
Yes po, sir.
Kasi kasama lang yun sa mga services niya.
Nais malinawagan ng dalawang komite ang isyong memorandum order na nagsasaad ng management takeover ng nakaraang minister si Human Resource Management Division o HRMD.
As a consequence of this management takeover, all transactions of the HRMD shall require prior approval from the undersigned, meaning the minister who signed the memo. The conduct of all the processes and operations of the HRMD shall likewise be deferred to the discretion of the undersigned. Very specific yung management takeover. Kaya ho, mukhang yun ang intention, yung sabi ho ni Deputy Minister na i-collapse yung layer na yun. Yung Assistant Secretary is not a layer, but just an agent of the Minister to assist him doon sa ano. So wala na yung structure. So in terms of institutional relations, yung structure natin, hindi na yun. Diniretso na. Tama po ba?
I think that is correct, Co-Chairs.
At ang natural na consequence nun, and as stated in item 3, lahat ng action sa HRMD ay action ng minister. Tama po ba yun?
Reading the memo, that is correct, Mr. Chair.
At lahat ng consequence ng actions na yon ay attributable to the minister.
Again, reading the memorandum, that is correct, Mr. Chair.
At lahat ng pinag-uusapan natin in the previous hearing at yung ngayon patungkol doon sa mga actions doon sa personnel, human resource, yun po ay directly actions attributable to the minister because of the memo.
Again, reading the memorandum, that is correct, Your Honor. But again, this is with the assistance of the Acting Regional Cabinet Secretary. But
Opo.
let me explain further that I do not know the intention how the memorandum was drafted. No? But by merely reading the memorandum, that is correct. The impression of the Honorable Senator was correct.
Opo. Yun po ang unang point na gusto kong malaman natin para ho in the discussions, yung framework na yon, yung legal framework na yon na in-establish ng memo ay malinaw ho sa lahat. Para ho tama lang na naintindihan natin sino ba ultimately ang nagde-decide, ang merong discretion
Griza Chavez, iMight, Philippines.